Hello, my name is Evie and today I'm going to show you how to create these amazing brows using my favorite benefit combo. So if you want to learn, stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to start. I'm going to use precisely my brow pencil in shade 4.5 and I'm going to give you a pro tip that you guys are going to love. So we're actually going to make the tip sharper because you know once you use it, it loses that sharpness. So we're going to make it super tiny and then we're going to just smash it with a mirror. Don't worry, you're not gonna break it. So this will actually make it so sharp. Perfect for those hair strokes. Okay, so I'm gonna first start by brushing the hairs up and sideways. And for this part, I'm not going to use the tip, I'm going to use the side. And I'm going to go very light hand from the beginning, just outlining the bottom with a very light hand. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush it up just to diffuse that line, and I am now gonna go with the side and very softly I'm going to start doing hair strokes to make it look naturally filled. Now with the arch, I'm gonna go just a little bit up like that. I can give myself a little bit more arch and connect it to the tail. Now I'm gonna go with Gimme Brow Plus. This is a volumizing fiber gel. I'm gonna go with shade number 4. It's a little bit lighter than my hair color, but I like how it gives me a very good dimension. I'm going to start from the middle because once you take it out of the tube, there's a lot of product. So once I work towards the end, there's gonna be less product. So that's what I want to work right in the front. I'm gonna go now with 24-hour brow setter to make sure those hairs stay in place, not only for 1, not 2, but 24 hours. I'm going to work the front and then from the middle towards the tail. And this is how we create the Glam brow. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and follow me on my social channels. See you very soon.